Something like that. Not gonna cover it all the way, so sprinkling it like that on it. When it grows up, pour more soil on it till it reach probably here. This is the potatoes which were planted last time, and now they spring up like this, growing up a bit taller. I'm gonna pour more soil in it till it reach at the top here. There's another one over here as well, so I'm just gonna pour some soil in it. So what you want is just pour the soil there, let it cover it a little bit. And this is a purpose compost with some regular soil mixed together. So this is what I do. So that's it. So when it comes up a little bit higher, then I'll put more soil in it as well. Yeah, just clean up a little bit. Just so it's now 5 weeks since I've planted these potato. So I'm gonna pour more soil in it. So it takes around 11 to 12 weeks, and then it can harvest. So pour more soil here. You need more soil. So I'll just take it through it and till I harvest it. It's good.